We have a new photography contest, and this time we're giving away the newer LS38 40-degree spotlight Snoot with Bowen's mount. The LS38 is a versatile light modifier. It lets you create precise, dramatic spotlight effects, highlight your subject, and change the mood to a scene. Or project patterns and colors for some truly creative effects. At the core is a 40-degree optical precision lens that delivers a sharp beam of about 84 centimeters wide at 1 meter. That's 2 to 3 times brighter than the bare light. The lens is multi-coated optical glass with 98% light transmission, so you get clean, even lighting with minimal distortion. You can adjust the sharpness by moving this focus knob here. And the creativity doesn't have to stop there. You get 16 metal gobos to project shapes and textures, and also 5 color gels: yellow, red, orange, blue, and green. You can create vibrant atmospheres and accents. The geometry effect modifier with 4 baffles gives you even more control. You can shape the light into triangles, squares, rectangles, and custom looks. And of course, that's Bowen's mount, so it can work with pretty much any popular light, like the newer CB200, the Godox VL150, Aperture 200D, and this also means that you can use it with a strobe light. Now, I recommend one that has a modeling light so you can actually see what you're doing. But as a creative tool for photographers and videographers, honestly, this thing is fantastic. Fantastic tool. And yes, there is more. It comes with a very nice carry bag with room for all of your accessories. Now, let's get into this month's theme. Let's move over there again so we can do it properly. I want to give a huge shout out to Newer for making this possible. By the way, congratulations and thank you to everyone that's been participating. You guys are doing incredible work. The themes for these contests come from my list of 20 monthly ideas that you could shoot for stock photography. You can download that guide for free at wollertzphotography.com. Just scroll all the way to the bottom, put your email there, and grab the guide. You can even choose whether or not you want to receive my newsletter. And if you already have that list, you know that there's only one option to go with for this month. The contest theme is, drum roll please, dress up your pet day. Any kind of dress up works. Go wild. It could be Halloween sheets, silly hats, full costumes, whatever you got. Remember, the idea is to celebrate our pets and show off their personalities. And yes, this is more than just dressing up your pets and taking a photo. I mean, that's part of it, but the idea is to capture the moment of dressing your pets, the action, the faces of betrayal, the joy. It depends on the pet, I suppose. But the whole idea is dress up your pet day. I guess it could be a friend's pet too, not necessarily your own, especially if you don't have one. But anyway, how are you gonna capture that in an image? Dress up your pet day. And yes, I gotta say, Bambi was very happy when the photo shoot was over with. Now, quick reminders, as always, there's things I have to say because of YouTube. This contest has nothing to do with YouTube. This is me, Wollertz Photography, and Newer, who is providing the prizes. We can ship to most every place out there, but not all of them. So please check the official rules in the video description or on my website, wollertzphotography.com. And remember, you have up to 2 weeks from today to upload up to 3 photos. And that link, again, is in the video description or on my site. And after that, there's one more week to rate images. So please rate them all because it is massive help when it comes time to choosing a winner. Best of luck to all of you. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see what your pets are going to look like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.